Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling objective and practical data. Gather BCVA for each eye, visual field maps, and contrast sensitivity. Once done, record the test conditions, lighting, pupil dilation, and whether assistive devices were used. Make sure to include recent clinical notes and functional assessments of daily tasks, such as reading, mobility, and facial recognition. This collection anchors every percentage and category you will calculate and prevents retesting that delays decisions. You now convert clinical metrics into standardized impairment values. Change BCVA to decimal or log MAR so values are comparable, and translate field constriction into percent loss based on degrees affected. Once numeric, apply the jurisdictional formula or guideline table. This is where legal blindness thresholds and impairment percentages appear. Make sure to weight functional scoring. Two people with same acuity can differ in disability if one has worse contrast sensitivity or mobility limits. You compute the final disability by combining right and left eye impairments per the guideline formula. Many systems use the worse eye, combined equivalent, or additive model, follow the rule exactly. Once calculated, adjust for bilateral functional loss and documented ADL limitations, then round as required. Make sure to record every input and calculation step. If results conflict, troubleshoot by repeating key tests under consistent conditions and comparing contrast and field results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.